Hi, I'm Anthony Coppa. I'm French and I play drums for 26 years. I've played in many bands when I was younger. Now I play in Nicky Wood. It's a punk rock band. You can find us on every platforms like YouTube, Spotify, Deezer, Bandcamp, everywhere. I play with 5A drumsticks since many years. It's a long time just because I like it. I really appreciate the diversity of products of Collision, the human side of the brand, the community, all. And the sticks are really perfect to play a long time with. Not so expensive and fast delivery, even you're in France, so just well. I'm going to play a Nicky Wood song called What I'm Here For with this Collision Drumsticks.